Feeling lost in a sea of Trello cards and unsure where your precious time is going? Well, get ready to unlock a productivity powerhouse by seamlessly integrating Clockify with Trello. Let's dive in. First, open the Trello board you want to track time on. Next, click on Show menu located in the top right corner, and then select Power-Ups. Now, in the Power-Up search bar, type Clockify. Find the Clockify Time Tracker Power-Up and click on it, then click the Add button to enable it on your board. You should see the Clockify icon appear at the top of your Trello board. Now, open any Trello card you want to track time for. You'll see a Clockify Start Timer button within the card. Click it to start tracking your time. This will automatically log the card's name as the task in Clockify, making time tracking a breeze. You can stop the timer when you're done. The track time will be neatly recorded in your Clockify workspace, linked to the specific Trello card. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Clockify with Trello, paving the way for better time management and project tracking. Happy tracking!